Whiplash is a neck injury due to forceful, rapid back and forth movement of the neck. Whiplash is commonly caused by rear-end car crashes, but can also result from sports accidents, physical abuse, and other types of trauma. Once diagnosed by a physician, the right assessment and treatment is key to treating your clients.
Hi, I'm Tammie Culley, Internship Director at the Lauterstein Conway Massage School. I can't wait to share this vital information with you to aid your client with the issue of whiplash and the byproducts it can produce, such as headaches. We will examine the anatomy, physiology, and treatment protocols for this common ailment you will see in your practice. I look forward to seeing you in class.
This informative and useful class is coming to the Lauterstein Conway Massage School soon. For more information and registration, please click the link in this post or go to tlcmassageschool.com.